Hi. You say mama. Say tata. Say kaka. Say baba. Say poo poo. Say poo poo. Say poo poo. Okay. Say no. Say no. Say no.
No.
Good girl. Say ow.
Ow.
Say wow.
Wow.
Say go.
Go.
Good girl. Say moon. Say moon. Say moon. Say say bye bye.
Bye.
Good girl. Say Asher. There's Asher. Look, look. Now both of you together. Asher, say hi.
Hi.
Say I love you. Asher, say I love you.
I love you.
Asher, can I ask you some questions?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Green.
What's your favorite food?
Watermelon.
What's your favorite movie?
The Barbie.
What's your favorite music?
Rockstar.
Oh, rock music?
Uh-huh.
Where does Bunu live?
Romania.
Yeah. Where do we live?
America.
Yes. And what state do we live
In the United States.
in? Yeah. But what state do we live in? California.
California.
What city do we live
The whole city.
in? Sacramento.
Sacramento.
What else do you want to say to Bunu?
Can I go to Romania, please?
You want to go to Romania and visit Bunu? And Buna?
Mm.
And who else do you want to see there?
Bunika.
And Auntie
Tata.
and Uncle
Bobo.
Bogdan. Say, I love you.
I love you.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, you want to know how to say bye in Romanian?
Uh,
Papa.
Papa.